So we're introducing, first of all, my name's Sam.
I'm Mike Osborne. I'm the CTO and co-founder of BlockArray.
So we are introducing Freight Trust, which is a legal platform for shipping documents for brokers, carriers, and shippers. So we're going to run through a quick demo of a broker creating a shipment through a carrier on behalf of a customer of theirs. So at the very first, we're going to be creating a less than truckload shipment. We'll be adding flatbed and reefer and some other options coming soon. So we've disabled some safety checks, so ignore that. We're shipping from our headquarters in Chattanooga to the hotel here in Dallas, and we're going to bill FreightWaves for this shipment. We're going to create the pickup window, and we're going to enter in some commodity information for the shipment. We also support hazardous materials for shipments as well. So right now we are requesting carriers for a quote for this shipment, and we're going to log in to the carrier side of things. So we're switching from broker to carrier. You won't be able to do this, obviously. This is just for demo purposes. So now we've seen the request for proposal for the carrier. This route is just for display purposes. We're not trying to tell carriers how to move freight. The carrier will send a quote response for this shipment. They'll put in their payment terms. We'll have rate per mile, fuel surcharges, and all that as well.
And this is also completely customizable depending on the carrier's needs and the shipper's needs.
Exactly. So we're going to hit save. We're going to send the quote back to the broker, and now we're going to switch back to the broker view. So on this side, we see some of our AI tools for the broker. They can see the delivery window probability. That's the chance of success for delivering within that window that was specified for the shipment. All of that information is encapsulated and segmented away. So if two brokers have the same carrier, they will not be sharing the information that's used to generate these kinds of numbers. So all that proprietary information is kept for the broker. And we also have some of our own proprietary information like weather and date and time of departure to calculate these numbers. The broker is going to enter in their fees, and that's also customizable. So this is where we would add some additional information on behalf of the shipper as a broker. We're just going to go ahead and hit complete booking, but this page is completely customizable as well.
And also the shipper can go through this entire process completely on their own, but just for the sake of time, we're doing just, the broker doing it on the shipper's behalf.
Exactly.
So complete booking.
We're going to finalize booking, and now we're going to go as the carrier. Now this is going to be dispatched to the carrier, and the carrier is going to send out their truck driver to the location to pick up the freight. So now we're assuming that the driver has made it to the facility. The driver is going to be able, through a smartphone, a tablet, a laptop, to capture the signature for both the driver themselves and whoever is working on the dockyard at the time. And that's the bill of lading that's generated. That's also customizable. This is just a generic version. We're going to go ahead and sign it. We're going to process both signatures.
And the shipper can add some additional information here. Again, we're going to skip over this just for time.
Exactly.
And here's where the shipper signs.
We're going to finalize the document by signing at the shipper, and now we're done. And the driver just hands over their smartphone or tablet or even a laptop if they want at the point of pickup. So now we're set. We've successfully picked up the freight. We're going to finalize the transaction. been broadcasted. We're going to check now to see all the information. This is the finalized document. You can see the blockchain. So we're not actually just anchoring to our blockchain network. We're actually creating a tokenized smart contract for this bill of lading. And what that does is it allows you to do same-day invoice factoring. If you want to do detention factoring as well. It also provides some analytics like facility analysis and some other things too. So we can see the audit trail as well. We're going to see here's the transaction information on our Block Explorer. And then you can see the audit trail as well. And those are all the changes that have been done. And a finalized bill of lading. And here's some additional features we have, like delivery insurance. So if it's booked with over a 95% confidence for delivery probability, we'll guarantee that it's delivered within the window time that's been specified. We also are planning on offering detention factoring. So for those carriers that are on our network through brokers, we can offer purchasing basically those detention claims from them and paying them up. We also offer development time for any brokers or carriers or shippers that are interested in joining the platform. We're going to be offering as much time almost as needed, almost 20 hours, I think. And that's APIs, any custom integrations you need. And do you have anything else?
I think that's pretty much it.
That's it.
Come see us
at our
booth.
booth if you have any questions, and have a great day, and thank you.